Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to Genesis Online Refresher course. Okay, well, so let us start the session, but before we get into the today's topic, first let us talk about the Telegram channel. See, I have given the test link. I know only around 8, 9 to 10 people are attending the quiz every day. Well, I'll tell you the list, okay, for today, yesterday's test, how many of you scored highest, okay. I think, let me give you the quiz report. Only 9 attempts were done, okay. So, yeah, 9 people have taken the test and average is 51%. Your score average is 51%, right? So, when it comes to your progress report, 77% learners are enrolled, but only 9 have taken the test, okay? Yeah. So, it's okay, at least out of 10-15 people who are attending the classes every day, at least 9 of you are taking the test and maintaining the consistency. That's good. Good evening, Jenkar. So, others, please do attend the test, okay, it is made for you, and join the Telegram channel if you have any questions in between. It's not like you just need to have the questions or ask your queries only during the class timing. It's not like that, okay. Even after that, if you go home and practice, I asked you to practice at least some 10 questions every day, correct? So after you going home, if you are practicing some 10 questions, obviously you'll get some of the other doubts, okay. You can ask your doubts in the Telegram channel. So from the past 17-18 days, I'm telling you the same thing, but actually none of you are asking your doubts in the Telegram channel. I don't know, maybe you're understanding everything or you're not studying at all after going back from here, okay. So, and I told you, this is specially designed for a final year students. It's a refresher course. I have mentioned here clearly, right? It's a refresher course. That's why I'm trying to cover almost everything in 15 hours. See, I'm combining two topics sometimes and covering the things. Good evening, Lavanya. Combining two topics and covering the things because all of you get to know at least all the important topics, right? It's not like none of the important topics should be missed out. So that's the reason I'm combining the topics and giving you to do it, okay. So please do attend the quiz and give the feedback. Only some 4 people have given the feedback. Rest all, I don't know why, what's the reason. So please do attend and give your feedbacks as well. Well, now let us get into the class now. So as I said, in the 15 hours of class, those who haven't attended the last classes, we have already completed number system, we have completed percentage, we have completed profit and loss, time, speed and distance, time and work, and we have also completed permutation and combination, probability, averages, mixtures and alligation, ratio, proportion and variation, data interpretation. In reasoning, I have completed number series, letter series and coding and decoding problems on that. And in the last class, yesterday's class, we completed even blood relation and direction sense. So in today's class, we'll be talking about seating arrangement, okay. Seating arrangement, and tomorrow is the last class on aptitude, and there we will be talking about clocks and calendars. Clear, guys? Okay. So in today's class, we'll start with the seating arrangement, correct. Now before we get into solving the problems on seating arrangement, we'll learn what kind of questions will be asked in the seating arrangement and how you should approach those kind of questions, correct. So once you know the approach, and then you can solve the questions easily, okay. So well, let us get into this. Now, when it comes to first thing, that is types of questions, here the first type is the easiest one, that is linear arrangement, okay. linear arrangement. For example, this one. See here, what's here? All the chairs are arranged in one straight line, correct? This is linear arrangement. This is first type. And the second can be a square or a rectangular arrangement. Okay. So all of you know the difference between square and rectangle, right? Rectangular arrangement. Next, the last type is circular arrangement. Mostly from 1 to 3. In these type, any one of the question will be asked. Now when it comes to questions, how the questions will be? Will it be of 1 mark, 2 mark, 5 marks? It depends again. Sometimes they will give you the linear arrangement and which is of either 1 or 2 marks. That's it. Or sometimes they will give square, rectangular or circular arrangement which is mostly of 3 to 5 marks. Okay. These type of questions will be usually asked for 3 to 5 marks. Okay. So this is how the question pattern will be. Now how to approach these questions. Now you get to know what are the type of questions will be asked in seating arrangement. The next thing is how the approach should be for each of these questions. First we'll go for a linear arrangement and then we'll go to square and or rectangular arrangement and then we'll study about the circular arrangement. Clear guys? Okay. Well, first let us get into the linear arrangement. Okay. Linear arrangement. Now you see, when it comes to linear arrangement, okay, so the things or the questions in the statements, either you have to arrange horizontally or you have to arrange the things vertically. Okay, these are the two types of arrangement. Okay, this is up and this is place down. This is simple. Now when it comes to horizontal arrangement, this we call it as the extreme left end. Okay, extreme left end, and this is extreme end means last one, right end. Okay, so that means if you move in this way towards your right side, okay, where you can see your right hand, that side is your right side, where your left hand is, that side is your left side. So this is left end and this is right end. Clear? I hope this is clear. These are some of the basics. And next thing is how the arrangement will be. Sometimes they say all are facing northwards. Then you have to arrange in this manner. They are facing north. Yesterday we learned direction sense as well. So they are facing north. This is northwards. If they say southwards, then it has to be arranged in this way, downwards. So this is southwards. Sometimes they say some people are facing north and some people are facing towards south. Okay, then the arrangement comes something like this. Some will be facing north and some people will be facing south. These arrow marks will be depending on the number of people they have given. If it is 5, so you will write 5. Arrow marks will come accordingly. If it is 6, again 6. If it is 12, it is 12. Something like this. Okay. These are usually these three type of questions were usually asked before. Now in the updated version they are giving 2 rows, 3 rows, something like that. Like for example, 1 row and 2 row. They'll arrange for example 10 people. You have to arrange 10 people in linear arrangement fashion. How? They'll be arranged in 2 parallel rows like this. Okay, 2 parallel rows. In that they say they are facing each other. So how will you draw? Facing each other means inwards, right? All of them are inwards. Clear? So in this way you have to arrange the linear arrangement. So it can be, here I am drawing horizontally, it can be vertical as well. So vertical eastwards will be like this. Westward direction, you will draw it like this. Facing towards each other, you will draw 1, 2 like this. So they are facing each other, right? So something like this. Clear? So this is about the linear arrangement. Clear? This kind of of arrangement needs to be done depending on the question. Now how we are going to approach this step by step? When we solve the question, we'll solve almost one type from each of these. One will solve from linear arrangement, at least one question will solve from, one means in that you will be having some sub questions as well, like 3 to 4 questions. So one will solve from a circular arrangement as well as square or rectangular arrangement. So there I'll tell you exactly when you are approaching the question how to approach a question. Now is this arrangement about linear is clear? Linear arrangement? I hope all of you understood. I assume that all of you understood. I don't know why the strength has been reduced today again. It's sad actually. Now let us go for a square or rectangular arrangement. Okay. Square or rectangular arrangement. Clear? Now when it comes to square or rectangular arrangement, square means, okay, so assume it as a square, okay, it looks like a square. Rectangle means any one, two of the sides will be bit longer. So this is rectangle and this is square. Now again the arrangement will depend on the number of persons. If there are only 4 people and if they mention it as they are sitting in the side, you will arrange them here at this points. Okay. Similarly for rectangle as well. Suppose if there are 4 people who are sitting in the corner, then you are going to arrange them, you are going to make them to sit in the corners. Okay, these are the corners. It depends on that. Okay, and if there are 8 people and some of them are sitting in the sides and some of them are sitting in the corners. So 4 are sitting in the corners and 4 are sitting in the middle sides. Similarly here. And the next thing when it comes to square and rectangular arrangement is left and right and inwards and outwards. If they are facing inwards, this is inward. Okay. If they are facing outwards, say for example here I'll draw outward. Okay, this is outward facing. Clear? Now if they are inward facing like this, see here what you can see here, this side is right and this is left. Okay, that means this is what clockwise. Clockwise is left and anti-clockwise is right. Okay, anti-clockwise, when you start moving anti-clockwise, it's going towards the right. Again same, you can take your hand movements, easy to be wherever your hand moves, that is, if you are moving your left hand, it is left. If you are moving your right hand, it is right. As simple as that. Okay. Now if you are sitting outwards, now if you are facing outwards like this, which is your left? This is your left and this is your right. Right. So how you gonna move? If you are moving leftwards means you move like this and anti-clockwise. Correct. So now anti-clockwise becomes your left and clockwise becomes your right. This concept apply for the circles also. Is right. Clear? See, this is right and this is left. Now please along with me, please draw these diagrams as well. I know in the beginning you may feel it bit complicated, but when you start solving number of problems on seating arrangement, trust me, this is easy. Okay, this is easy. Only thing is you have to analyze. Okay, if I am sitting here, I am moving leftwards. Okay, analyze with your hands, moving your hands, so that when you visualize the things and use your body language, it is more helpful for you to analyze or imagine the things. Clear? Now this is about square or rectangular arrangement. Is this clear, guys? Now let us go to the circular arrangement. Circular arrangement. Okay. Circular arrangement. How will be? Simple. Either they may ask you to arrange 6 people or 8 people or 7 people. It depends. So how you gonna arrange? Simple. If 6 people, first mark the places, something like this. Usually mark them in the way they are opposite to each other. Okay. If 8 people, 4 here and 4 here, like how you mark the directions. Clear? 4. Here also comes inwards and outwards. If they are facing inwards, one diagram I'll use for inward and one I'll use for outward. Inwards, okay, this is inward, right? Inward means which is left? Your left is left, your right is right. So left means you are moving clockwise when you are facing inward, correct? Right means you are moving anti-clockwise, okay? Here, if they are facing outward, left means, see, you turn towards south now. You remembered I taught you direction sense yesterday. When we are moving southward, which is your left? This is your left and this is your right. So clockwise is your right. Okay, it is exactly reverse of this. Clockwise and anti-clockwise becomes your right, left. Okay, see, you can remember one, inward or outward, and the other one, if you remember, for inward facing inwards, then left is clockwise, right is anti-clockwise. Remember this. How about outwards? Don't remember this. Okay, whatever comes for inwards, the reverse should be for outwards. Okay, so for inward, left is clockwise and right is anti-clockwise. How about the outward? Clockwise is right, anti-clockwise is left. Okay, so this is how you make the things work out. Remember one thing, and depending on that, opposite of that itself will be the for the other one. Is that clear, guys? So now, okay, we almost took 20 minutes to learn the concept itself, but when you solve the problems, this was important. Clear? So that's why I made you to learn these things. Now let us get into the problems today. Okay, now here I'll tell you, along with the approach, I'll teach you the question here. See, guys, there were 11 friends. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to say one more thing. Okay, actually I want to know, or I can see there are 14 people in the live chat. I want to know from which college you people are attending, okay? Because I want to maintain a database, and for that I need your information from which college you people are attending, okay? So please do type your college name in the comment box and post it, okay? So that I'll get to know from which college you people are from, okay? So do that, and till then we'll solve this problem. There are 11 friends. M, N, O, P, Q, R till W are sitting in the first row of the stadium watching a cricket match. T is to the immediate left of P. So they said there are 11 friends and they are sitting in the first row of the stadium. Okay. So we have to make 11 friends. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll make this is a linear arrangement. Sambram. Okay. Singh is from Sambram. Vinay Kumar is from Sambram. Okay. So 11 friends. Clear? Now the next thing is, whenever in any seating arrangement question, when you read the data, here there are only 4 sentences. Sometimes there will be multiple sentences. So how you gonna do it? You don't have to read this statement again and again and waste your time. You should read the statement once, decode it somewhere in the side, and use this particular information to fill it here. Clear? So we'll do that approach. Now, how you'll get to know now. T is to the immediate left of P. Okay. So write P here. What they are saying? T is to the immediate left of P. So immediate left means you'll write here. Your left is, sorry, this is T. Okay. T is to the immediate left of P. Clear? Okay. Angdi, Sambram. So next, and third to the right of U. Okay. Who is third to the right of U? T is to the third right of U. So third, second, first, and then here you will write U. So what P is, T is immediate to the left of P. Yes, he is to the left of P, immediate left. And now first, second, third to the right of U. I wrote it here because I don't know where exactly to put it here. So that's why I am writing it here. This is indefinite. Next, V is the immediate neighbor of M and N, and third to the left of S. So this one is already completely completed. So I'll put a right mark here. I'm not gonna read that sentence again. I'll just use this particular statement. V is the immediate neighbor of M and N. Now there is no reference here, M and V, nothing is there. So I'll write down here. What they are saying, immediate, V should be immediate neighbor of M and N. That simple means if you want V to be immediate neighbor of M and N, V should sit in the middle. So V, here comes M and N. Correct? Immediate neighbor of M and N. Or it can be reverse also. It can be N here or it can be M here. Okay. Next, and third to the left of S. So third to the left of S means this side. So S should come here. First, second, third to the left of S. Clear? So even this sentence I have completed. Put a tick mark here. I am not gonna read that sentence again. Okay, people are from Angdi and Sambram. That's it. Okay, great guys. Thank you. Next, M is the second right. Okay, second to the right of Q. What they are saying? M is second to the right of Q. Okay, so M should be second. If I write M here, then I should write Q here. I cannot write Q here because I cannot write M here. Okay, M is the second to the right of Q, who is at one of the ends. Okay. So now see here, I have two possibilities. One is you can write Q here and then M comes here. If you are gonna write M here, then Q will be coming here. Suppose if you write Q here, then M will come here. Again everything will be shifted. N I have to write here, but that's not possible. Why? Because they are saying Q is at one of the ends. Okay. So Q should come here. Here M comes. That means N cancels out. N should be here. Now you know this particular pattern is true. Put it here in the actual diagram. So Q, after that second place M should come, between M and N V should come, correct? And then you leave one place, here comes S, you kept it here. Now this is completed, tick mark. R is sitting next to the right of P, okay? R is sitting next to the right of P, P's right should be R, and P is second to the right of O. Okay, what they are saying? P is second to the right of O. Okay, so now P should be second, first, second. If you write O here, you will leave two places and here comes P. Now put all these information in the table here. Okay, so now see here, O, T, P and R are together. So where can you write all of them together? Where can you write all of them together? Where you have four places continuously? Here. So write O here and T here, P here and R here. Okay. And next, if you write these and you leave one place, so you left one place, here should come U. Now you left out with only one place. Out of these 11 friends, who is left out? W is left out. So write W here. Clear? So now check whether it is correct or no. How? See, based on this, now we have solved this particular data. Based on this, we will solve the questions. Okay, what is the first question? Who is sitting in the center of the row? Who is sitting in the center? There are 11 friends, means 6th person should be center, right? So leave 5 from both the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now who is sitting in the middle? U is sitting in the middle. So the answer is U. Okay. Solution D. Clear guys? Now we'll read the next question. Which of the following people are sitting to the right of S? So there are options here. 4 people. O, T, P, R, O, T, P, Q, O, U and V, M. We'll check first here. So to the right means, S is right means this side. So how many people? There are 4 people. O, T, P and R. Where is the option? B. O, T, P, R. So option is answer B. Clear guys? This is how you have to solve the linear arrangement problem. Clear? Okay. See, obviously I cannot take the class here for 3 hours. So I am trying to make you understand almost everything in one class. If I am being bit faster or if you are not understanding anything, you can let me know. Okay. You can do comment and I'll understand your question and then I'll try to answer it. Clear, guys? Okay, most of the people are from Sambram and one person is from Angadi. Okay, second question. A, B, C, D, E are sitting on a bench. A is sitting next to B. C is sitting next to D. Okay, so we'll try to solve this immediately one by one, assuming that you read the question. So A is sitting next to B. A is sitting next to B. So it can be A, B, or it can be B first and then A. It can be any option. Okay, I shouldn't write like this. It can be A, B, or it can be B, A. Okay, A, B or B, A. Here should come or. Next, C is sitting next to D. So it can be C, D or it can be D, C. D is not sitting with E, who is on the left end of the bench. Okay, so now we got to know one definite information. There are 5 people, A, B, C, D, E, and E is sitting on the left end of the bench. Who is sitting means E is sitting. See, where one more hint is wherever they mention the word who, this refers to the second person in the statement. See, there are 2 people here, D and E in this statement. Now, who is second person? E. Okay, so if the word is who, this refers to the second person in the statement. If the word is and, that refers to the first person in the statement. Clear? Remember this. Next, D is not sitting with E, means I should not write D here. Okay, if I am not writing D here, I cannot write C here, because if I write D or C, if I am not writing D here, the D should come here, C should come here. Yes or no? But as of now, I don't know. I'll just put this mark so that I should not write D here. Okay, let us read the next one. C is on the second position from the right. Okay, C is from the second position from the right. Which is the second position from the right? First, second. Okay, that means C is here. A is to the right of B and E. So to the right of B and E means A should come here. Correct? To the right of B means if I write B here and then A here, now see, A is to the right of B and to the right of E. Correct? A and C are sitting together. Are A and C are sitting together? Yes. If D should not come here, where should I write D? If C is coming here, D should come here. Clear? In which position A is sitting? Where is A sitting? He is sitting between B and C. Where it is? Option A. So that's your answer. Okay. Clear, guys? See, are you understanding or is there any doubt here? Okay, Lavanya, Amrit, Abdul, Chetan. Okay, most of you are from Sambram. Great, yeah. I think I was there in Sambram. I think I met you, most of you guys. I'm not sure. Okay, so is there any doubt here in this question? If you have any doubts, please do let me know. Okay. Now, let us jump to the next question now. Okay. 6 girls, first we'll decode this one. 6 girls are sitting in a circle. Okay. In a circle facing to the center of the circle. Okay. How many girls? 6 girls, and they are facing the center of the circle. Okay. We'll draw it. We'll draw a circle. Assume it as a circle. Okay. 6 girls means I'll draw something like this. Okay. And they are facing the center of the circle. Center of the circle means here. So they should face center of the circle. Done? Okay. Next. They are P to V. T is not between Q and S, but some other person is between Q and S. Okay. So you don't know this. What I'll write? I'll write Q. In between I'll leave one space. I'll write S. But the condition is here in this place T should not come. P is next to the left of V. Okay. So we'll write P somewhere. Okay. We'll write P somewhere and then we'll write V. For example, any position you can write. For example, I'll write V here. Okay. P is next to the left of V. If they are facing inwards, anti-clockwise will be, clockwise will be left. This is left, this is right. So next to the left of V means P comes here, right? P is here. R is, so this sentence is done, we completed it. R is fourth to the right of P. So P's right means this is left, this is right because inward. So now I have to go to fourth position, first, second, third, fourth. So here comes R. Clear? Now R is also I have placed. Next thing is I have to write Q, S and T. Now if I write Q and S here, I can't write because I need to leave one space in between. So I can't write Q, S here. Can I write Q and S here? Yeah. Yes or no? So I'll write Q here, I'll write S here, in between there is R. The condition is satisfied, there is no T here. R is there and that is okay. So if R, S, P, all the positions are filled, I can write T here because there is only one place left out for T. Is that clear? So now try to solve the question based on this. What is the question? Which of the following statement is not true? What the question is? Not true. Okay, they are not asking about true, not true. So please do observe this kind of words when they are mentioned in the question. First statement, read. S is just next to the right of R. Where is S? Is it just next to the right of R? Yes, this is right of R. Inwards means anti-clockwise is right. So S is correct. That means this statement is correct. T is just next to the right of V. T is just next to the right of V. Yes, this statement is also correct. Next, R is second to the left of P or T. R second. Where is T? T is here. No. See, it is right position. They are asking left. So this statement is not true. That means this is your answer. This has to be true. P is second to the right of R. Is P second to the right of R? This is right. So right means second to the right of R. So even this statement is correct. What's your correct answer? Option C. Because they are asking which is not correct. Clear guys? Okay. On the same question, there is one more. If P and R interchange their position. Okay. So interchange P and R's position now. R is here, write P here. P is here, write R here. Interchange. Okay. Next. Then which of the following pair will sit together? RT, PV, VT, QV. RT, PV, VT, QV. Okay. So we'll check it. RT are together? No. PV are together? Yes. PV are together. So the answer is PV. Option B. Because they are together. Oh. We'll see. Wait. Okay. Sorry. Here is R and P interchange, right? So PV are also not together. Now VT, okay, V and T are together. So check, option is C. Okay, because they interchange the place. If they are not interchanged, then PV was the answer. Since they have interchanged, VT is your answer. Clear? See, I am trying to cover almost all the type of questions here. So that's why I am being bit fast. So suppose if you feel it bit faster, after once you complete the class, if you go to the above setting, there will be 3 dots. If you go there, you can change the speed. Okay, you can keep it from normal to, you can reduce the speed also. Okay, so you can reduce the speed and listen slowly. That's possible. Okay, next, what is the position of T? Okay, just next to the right of Q, second to the left of P, between Q and R, to the immediate right of V. Okay, let me draw it here. Okay, one more time. There were 6 positions. I am just drawing it to help with the question. Here was R, Q, here was P, and between, okay, S, here was T, which was left out, V. Okay, now check. Position of T, just next to the right of Q. Inward, okay, no. Second to the left of P. P, no. Second to the right of B. Between Q and R, no. To the immediate right of V. Okay, V inwards means this is right, and to the immediate right of V. Correct. So the option is answer V. D. Okay. Yeah, Vinay. The answer is option D. correct. Okay. Next question, which is who is sitting just right to the V? Who is sitting just right to the V? Again it is C, T. Why? Because just now we solved. To the right of T, it is T. V, it is T. So the answer is T. Clear? Answer option is B. Correct answer. Yeah, Pavitra, option D. Correct. Fourth question. I know I have added too many questions. Anyway, because I thought of covering all the possible questions here. That's why in a group discussion, A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting around a rectangular table. Okay, rectangular table. A is sitting on a side alone. See, they are talking about a side. So side alone, you have to make 6 people to sit. We'll make it here. Since they are talking about sides everywhere, side. See, side. So we'll make something like this arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Okay. A is sitting on a side alone. Alone means here it should come here, it should come here, because here only you have 1 people. So you can make her to sit anywhere. I'll write here A. So this statement is done. B, C are sitting on the same side. So you can make them to sit here or it is here, but I don't know, but just I'll write B, C. Even this statement is done. F is facing A. So F is facing A means it should come here. D, so this is done. D is the immediate left of F. Immediate left. Okay. Around a rectangular circle for a group discussion means they should face inwards. Okay. So they are facing inwards. All of them are facing inwards because it's a group discussion. D is the immediate left of F. So immediate left of F means this is left. Correct. And where should I write D? I should write D here. Yes or no? Immediate left means I should write it here. Next, even this is done. Next, C is facing D. So if D is here, C is here. If C is here, B and C should come together. So B is here. If A, B, C, D, E, F is here, it should be E. We are done. Who is immediate right of A? Okay, this is A going this way. This is left and this is right. So who is immediate right of A? It is E. So the answer is option C. Next, who is between B and F? Check who is between B and F. B is here, F is here. Who is between B and F? It is C. So option C is the correct answer. Good. C. Okay. Now my job is done. Now it's your time to, whatever I have taught till now, remember that particular thing, remember the basic and try to solve a quiz based on it. Okay. So yeah, here is a quiz and don't get scared. It's easy and your time starts now. At least you don't have to solve it. I'll give a time again to solve one more question. First, decode this particular data. Okay. Whatever the data mentioned here, please decode this data and prepare a diagram. Okay. I have given a diagram of square. So prepare a diagram. If you can solve the question, solve one question. Solved? Any of you? I didn't get any answers till now. Okay. So now if you are solved, I'll give you 1 more minute time. Reset. Now try to get the answer for the question. Okay. You'll be having around 3-4 questions on one particular data, so you'll get maximum 2 minutes to solve those 4 questions. Since I'm not getting an answer here, I'm giving you this time. Okay. Yes guys, please do solve it. No answers? Okay, I'll help you. There are 8 persons, JK till N, are sitting around a square table. Okay, let me delete this. Square table. Okay, draw a square table now. You have to draw a square table. Okay, so well, let me do it here. Square table. Square table in such a way that 4 of them sit at 4 corners. Okay, 4 people have to sit in the 4 corners of the table, while 4 sits in the middle of each of the 4 sides. So middle of each of the 4 sides, another 4 are sitting. The one till here all the data we completed. The one who sit at the 4 corners face outside the center, while those who sit in the middle of the face inside. So till here we have completed. So those who are sitting in the middle should face inside. These people are facing inside, and those who are sitting outside are facing the in the corner are facing the outside. Correct? R. Is it R? Okay, option D. What was the question? R. Okay, Jenkar is saying R. We'll see Jenkar. Maybe yours is correct answer. So this one till here we have completed. Next, P sits second to the left of O. I don't know where P sits, where O sits, but I'll write O. Second to the left of O. First, second, P should sit. Because I don't know, this is indefinite data. That's why I'm writing it here. Indefinite data, write here. Whichever is a definite data, write it here. What is definite data? The data which you can directly put into the diagram is the definite data. K sits second to the right of J. Okay. First, second to the right of J, K will sit. Oh. Sorry. Sorry, all the data got deleted. Let me draw it again. So the same data, these people are facing outwards and these people were facing inwards, right? Okay, and P sits second to the left of O. P first, second to the left of O, left. K sits second to the right of J. So if J is here, first, second, K will sit second to the right of J. L sits third to the left of N. Okay. If N is here, first, second, third, L will sit. L faces inside. So now we got a data. Okay. So whenever there is a question inside and outside, first you search for this particular word and do that first. Okay. So L faces inside. Now we have four particular position. You can write it anywhere. Okay. For example, I'll write L here. If I write L here, L sits third to the left of N. Okay. Now, if I write third to the left of N means, if I go here and write here, this is the right side of N. So I can't write N here. If I write N here, this is left of N, first, second, third. Yeah, this fits. So I can write N here. Done. N. Next, L sits third to the left of N. Even this data I have kept it into the diagram. R sits third to the left of O. Okay. So now you put this particular data. Okay. Where L is not the immediate neighbor of J. That means I cannot write J here. I cannot write J here. Correct. So if you can't write J here and J here, where can you write J? You can write J here. Okay. If you are writing J somewhere here and you can write K here. Yes or no? Then P and O. Where will you write P, O? You can write it anywhere here. R sits third to the left of O. Okay. Yeah. P is second to the left of O. Where did I write somewhere here? Okay. L is not the immediate neighbor of J. Yeah. So I write J here, I write K here. I have many positions here. Now, sorry. Okay. J and K. K, J. When you are writing here, this should be left of J. Okay. if I write K here, which is the right? This becomes right and first, second. So I have to write J here. Okay. And if I am writing J here, then where should I write O? O's left should be P. Okay. So if I write O here, I should write P here where I don't have space. Now if I write O here, can I write P here? No. If I write O here, okay, where should I write a P? If I am writing O here, where should I write P? The left. Okay. So if I write O here, can I write P here? This is left. So I can write P here. Next, R sits third to the left of O. Now O is here 1, 2, 3, 4. R. Okay. To the R sits to the left. Okay. I can write R here. Okay. Next, who among the following sits second to the right of K? Who is sitting second to the right of K? First, second. Okay, it is R. Is it correct? Okay. L. Okay. Did I miss L here? Yeah, exactly. L. So the answer is L because here inward one more position is there. Next, who among the following faces R? Who is facing R? Okay, P. R should be, it's K. Oh, I think I have done some mistake here. Wait. Okay guys, so I'm not getting where I went wrong. Can you tell me? L is here, N is here, P should sit second to the left of O. I'll write inward positions here, outwards here. Okay, to the right of K comes L and left here comes J, K, L, M and P. If it is P, it is first. Okay, right, left. Yeah, P here, L, which is missing? M. Should be J. Yeah. Okay, M. I think there is some mistake here. Second to the right of K. Who among the following faces are K? R is missing. Yeah. Okay, guys. So anyway, we'll leave this question. I'm seriously not getting where I went wrong. So we'll do it tomorrow's session. And except that till here, is there any doubt here in the question? Whatever we have solved till now except this, is there any doubts? Okay. If you have any doubts, let me know. Or if you get the pattern, let me know. Okay. Yes, any queries? Is there any queries till now? Okay. Okay. So, see, I am telling you again and again, at least today, please go and attend the quiz. Okay. It's important for you guys to attend the quiz because it's made for you only, right? It's not for someone else. It is for you, for your beneficial. Okay. So, other than this, no doubts? Okay, guys. Others except Jenkar? I'll go through this question, what's wrong in this. So, we'll see it again tomorrow. Okay. Others, is there any queries? I'll give you 5 minutes. So, and tomorrow is the last class. So, till today's class, if you are having any doubts in the classes, till today's class, if you are having any doubts, any queries till here, please do let me know in the tomorrow's class. Collect all your doubts and please do type it and send. Okay. If you can't ask it tomorrow, you have a Telegram channel, there is option. So, you can type your doubts and send. Okay. So that I'll get to know. Okay. So clear? Okay guys, thank you so much and have a nice evening.